Welcome to Cooking with Mona and Mish. Today we're going to be making some quinoa. So here are the ingredients. We have 1 cup of quinoa, 3/4 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt, 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, which can also be substituted with olive oil, and 1.5 cups of hot water. All right, so the first step to making quinoa is to wash it. So you're gonna place it in a bowl and then you are gonna drain it. Make sure you use a drainer with a fine mesh so the quinoa doesn't fall in between. So I'm gonna go do that right now. All right, so now we're gonna mix up all the ingredients. We have our quinoa.
Michelle, put it all. Here.
Our salt, the avocado oil, and then the hot water. Now we're gonna take this over to the stove, bring it to a boil. Once it's boiled, you're gonna put the top on, let it simmer for 15 minutes at low heat. All right, so it's boiling now, so it's time to cover it up and turn down the heat to a low simmer for 15 minutes.
So it's not low at the end, it's just a little bit medium low in between. Okay?
All right, so now it's been 15 minutes and let's take a look at our quinoa. Ooh, that looks nice. So we're just gonna let it cool off now. Turn off the stove. Look at it, it's nice and fluffy. Okay, so the quinoa is all done. It's cooled down a little bit and now it's time to try it out. All right, here we go. It's looking real nice and fluffy, just how we like it. Okay, sorry. Let's just do it this way.
Let's go, just pour it so you can see it, how it looks like.
Yum. Okay, so here it is.
Let's get closer on the camera. No,
Close
get the
it
camera
up.
there.
Okay, so now it's time to taste our final product. And yeah, here we go. Ready? Mmm.
Very good.
Really good, really nice and fluffy, perfect amount of salt. It's delicious, and I think you guys will like it too. Let us know if you try it out. Let us know in the comments, like, subscribe. Thank you so much, and we'll see you guys next week.
Yeah, like this is very nice and next to vegetables, you know.
Yeah,
So we
with
will
meat,
have more,
with protein, and you can mix it in with tabbouleh, which is an Arabic salad dish that we will be teaching you guys how to make too in the future. So thank you guys so much for watching.
Very good.
Have a great
this is
day.
for me now.
Bye. Oh, okay. Bye.
Bye.